What's up guys, Gundam fan here, and I will be giving away 3 campaign 40th anniversary codes for Gundam info at the end of this video. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Gundam fan here, and I have a delivery, and I just knocked the camera, didn't I? What's up guys, Gundam fan here, and I've just done it again. Mother... What's up guys, Gundam fan here, and I've got a parcel today I wasn't expecting for a couple of days. This is from friends over in Ireland, Gundam Mad, and the postage was £4.10 for this massive box. Their postage is insane. I don't know why, but this is recording upside down. Don't worry about that. I'll spin it around in the editing. Where's my nav? Where's my nav? Where's my nav? Sounded like Borat. Okay, I'm really excited today. I mean, it's a good day. It's a Thursday. It's a Friday. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, how are you? How's your day? I think this is 3 kits. I'm not entirely sure. It's a big box. It looks like an MG box. I do have an MG coming, but that's coming from Japan, so that probably won't reach me until my birthday in October. Birthday is on the 8th. Anyone wants to sort me out some birthday treats, that'd be lovely. I had to open this upside down because my address and stuff was on the other side. I mean, I trust all you guys not to send me bombs in the post. Okay, let's get these out first, and I'll go through what's in them. Oh, hello. Gunprimer 40th anniversary campaign 20. Oh, it's giving me some codes for Gundam info. Nice. What I'll do is, I never win them, so what I'll do is I will quickly do I'll put these on camera for a few seconds each. You can then pause the videos, and then first come first served. I did ask them if you could put some like marketing in with the parcel, like Gundam Mad, like stickers or anything like that. That way I can endorse the company, because that postage is insane. Don't need that. Okay, so first up we have the prototype Goof Tactical Demonstrator. Or is it a Demonstrator? This kid looks savage, it really does. This is priced at, I don't know, because there's a sticker over it. Awesome. I'm going to say, what, 1300 yen, 1400 yen, 1500 yen, something like that. I don't think it's going to be too expensive. I mean, normally sometimes it's part of the barcode there, so I don't know. It is what it is. It's the Demonstrator prototype Goof. And then we have the Zaku 2 higher mobility type. Very nice. Again, there's a sticker over how much this kit costs. A few gimmicks. It's got a good crunch. I'm loving that sniper rifle though. Do these come with stands like the rest of them? Oh, I've just knocked that camera again. No, this one doesn't come with a stand. Luckily I've got some action bases, so that's pretty cool. Well, I'm glad the gun cannons come with a stand. That's pretty cool. I'm going to say that this one doesn't come with a stand either, because box size. Now I can never tell if these are, no, these ones are stickers, not dry rubs. Oh, that's a shame, because the gun cannons come with dry rub decals. which is pretty cool. So I don't know. These MSDs, did these come out before the normal Origins? Because the quality of the pieces look pretty basic, not as detailed as the gun cannons, so to speak. Looking for a date. 2015. Okay. Still, it doesn't matter. I'm not grumbling. I need some Xeon stuff. And then finally, the gun tank early type. Big beast, big beastie beast. I'm going to make a good project out of this one, definitely. I'm going to enjoy doing this. This comes with stickers, so I'm going to have to find some decals for this. All the wheels. The shoulder pieces. And the main body. Happy days. He looks like an utter beast. Just imagine that coming down the street at you. Piloted by a child. Okay, there's a lot going on with this. But only 3 bags. I mean, it's a big old kit, but a lot of it is bulk. So it's still going to fly together, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to really take my time with this one. Probably do a month build, like I did the Sazabi, because this tank deserves it. Look at that. And this was released in 2015 as well. So okay, so they're all released around the same sort of time, but I've got more to chew on now. So what I think I'll do is well, I've still got the car to do in a couple of weeks. It's just over there off camera. Once the car's done, I mean, that's not going to take too long at all, because it's just a shell, some wheels, a bit of interior detail, and you know, and some final details. Top coat, that's it. Excuse me. So maybe I might snap together a couple of these in live, like in a stream or something, and just have a little chat with you guys, and then do the red frame stray. Then by that time I should have my MG Barbatos. So this tank I might start this tank next year. So in the meantime, these are just going to be a pile of shame for now. But I might do something the weekend with one of these, just do a live chat build and just see what it's about. Put it all together. Because I don't mind stack building all my kits, because then instead of being in a box, they're out on a shelf, they're on display, and they're there telling me, right, Rick, take me apart and paint me. Because when they're in a box, they can be just sort of forgotten and put to one side for a little bit too long. So if I have it out on display, I've got a visual reminder of what to do. Right, as promised, I'm going to show the first code now for you guys. You can get that down. You're going to have to pause days. And the third code, I mean, I don't even know what these are for. Hang on, before I do the last code, let's go and see what these are for, eh? Shall we? Right, sign into campaign website with Bandai Namco to participate. Participants are to provide their true contact details in full. Complete entries will be disqualified, or incomplete will be disqualified. Please keep valid Lucky Draw series card until the redemption period. Winners will be drawn randomly by a computer. Winners will be notified by email. Oh, it's a draw for the Gunprimer 40th anniversary campaign. Okay, so this is the last code for you guys, and good luck. I'm in the UK, so they probably won't ship to me, and I'm probably exempt from this particular campaign anyway, so you guys will probably have more luck than me, so good luck. I hope you guys win something out of that. What else? Well, you know, what else have I got to chat about today? I mean, I've got these. It's some LED lights for the Gundam shed. Just maybe put around the perimeter, make it look a bit nicer, maybe add a little bit of extra light. I've not unboxed these yet, but it's just a strip of LEDs. What else is there to say? I think it's only white. I don't think it's got a controller to do a different. Oh, it does. Yeah, it just does one watt. I don't have the RGB option. I mean, this was only 10 quid, so if it's crap, it's crap. I haven't wasted too much money. But that is all I've got for you today. Like I say, stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, the Sazaby's done now. It's put to bed. That project is upstairs on my shelf, looking absolutely awesome. So what I'll do is, until I get the car project on the way, I'll do a couple of live builds, stat builds and so on, and I might even do a video with the gun tank, just putting that together. I don't know yet. I've got to put some filler content out and keep in contact with you guys. So thanks for watching. Again, good luck with the competition. I hope you guys get something out of them codes, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.